our ice maker machine, and this machine is the bigger capacity, is the 315 kg per day. And you can see this is the machine, the control panel. And also we have keep the ice tank in here. We have make more the ice. We have working about 12 hours. This machine you can see he have inside the machine. And just now we have do the test. This one is the machine, the back. You need to the connection like this one. We will explain for you the drawing, and you can use this machine to the hotel and maybe the shop and the big shop, and every day you need to take more the ice the shop. And just you can see here have a flow down the ice, and maybe you can see is the later he will flow down here. I can listen the noise here. Then maybe the machine inside the ice is the separate mode now.